Hey guys, it's Kylie from WTI. So when it's cold outside, I really like to sip on something warm. And sometimes I'm just not interested in coffee or tea. I want something a little more savory. So in comes the Millie sipping broths. I found these and I absolutely love them. They are great for a warm drink on a cold day. So my favorite flavor so far is the Delight Pho, and the sipping broth comes with 12 steepable bags. And they recommend steeping them in 8 ounces of water. I think this recommendation is actually the perfect ratio. I've tried with more water before and it really drowns out the taste. So to have that full body taste, I would stick with 8 ounces of water. You can also see all the great spices that are included in each of the bags. They smell so good, they taste even better. It's not spicy at all, it has just the right amount of flavor, and it's super comforting to drink on a really cold night. The Millie sipping broth bags are a super treat for me to have in my home. I actually use them pretty frequently, and that's my point of view.